Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up filters in Gmail to help you stay organized and keep your inbox clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account on your computer. Now look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. That's your settings. From the drop-down menu, choose See All Settings. Once the settings page open, head to the label tab, Filters and Block Addresses. Click on it to access Gmail's filters controls. Next, hit the button that says Create a new filter. A small window will pop up where you can enter your filter conditions. For example, in the Has the Words field, type the word discount if you want to filter out those kinds of emails. After entering your criteria, click Create Filter. Now, you'll see a list of actions Gmail can take when it finds a matching email. To automatically delete these emails, check the box next to delete it. You can also apply filter to matching conversations if you want Gmail to clean up your inbox right away. Once you're done, click the Create Filter again to save and activate it. That's it, you have successfully created a Gmail filter. You can always return to this section to edit or remove the filter anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.